Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and as by the title you know that we're gonna be doing a BRATZ doll look. I'm gonna be trying to turn myself into a BRATZ doll, you know, this one right here. I have these three pictures that I don't know what to choose from yet, but we're gonna see. I might just combine all three together and make it a look. But yeah, let's just get right into this. So I'm gonna be taking my spoolie and just spooling out my brows, making them go up, so when I add the glue they're already facing that way and it's not that harder. First I'm gonna start off with my all-purpose glue stick and I'm gonna glue down my brows. Alright, so now I'm just gonna be applying the glue. I'm gonna be dragging the glue upwards so I can make my eyebrows flat as possible. Now I'm just taking my spoolie, combing right through that to make sure every really fucking Rambo. Why, Rambo? Why? I'm gonna just be combing through it so I can make sure I get every single piece of hair full of glue. I'll also ignore this little dark stuff. That's because I use this spoolie to spoolie out my brows when I'm filling them in. And I'm just gonna clean up the top where it's all like black and stuff, just taking that off. And now I'm just gonna be reapplying more glue. I just apply layers until I get my eyebrows as flat as possible as I can before I add any foundation or concealer on it. Make sure you dry the glue so the process can be faster. And also I'm going to be cleaning the bottom, just so the bottom is the main part where I need to really clean off. That's because that's where my eyeshadow will be going. Alright, so now I'm just going to be taking my Ultimate Face Professional palette and taking this. I'm taking this orange shade right here named Coral Haze. I'm going to take that to color correct my eyebrows so you can't see it through my foundation or anything. I'm just taking it with my finger. I feel like with a finger you melt it way more into your skin than if you were to use anything else. Alright, so I'm just blending out right here the orange color corrector. I'm just taking this to press it more into my brow. Now I'm just going to be taking my Kat Von D foundation and I'm going to be applying that all over my brows. Now I'm just going to be taking my Airspun translucent powder to add powder on top of my brows. So since I can still see a little bit of my brows, I'm just going to be applying more foundation on top of the powder. Now I'm just going to be applying more of the translucent powder on top of the foundation once again. Alright, so now I'm just going to prime my face before I put the foundation on. Taking my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. Now I'm going to be going in with my Kat Von D Lock-It Foundation in the shade Medium 52. Alright, so now I'm just going to be taking my Tarte Shape Tape to conceal underneath my eyes. Now I'm just taking more of my Airspun powder to set my face. Now I'm gonna attempt to draw them brows right there. Let's see how it goes. I'm gonna just be taking my ColourPop pencil and in the shade Black and Brown. I'm gonna use that to create my brows. I'm actually gonna take eyeshadow because it seems like it's way harder with that brow pencil, and I'm gonna be taking this shade right here from the BH Cosmetics, the BH Modern Mattes. Yeah, the BH Cosmetics Modern Matte palette, and I'm gonna be taking that on a definer brush. In with the angle brush just to make it more defined. Alright, so that's how this brow is gonna look like. So I'm just gonna attempt to do the other one also. So yeah, I'll be right back. Alright, so that's the best I can do for my brows. I think they look pretty similar. Now we're gonna start off with the eyeshadow. Yeah, I think I'm gonna just do this one right here, where she has like a dark brown with the pink. Like that one looks way prettier than the one before. So I'm gonna be using my BH Cosmetics palette, and I'm gonna be taking the same shade I used for my brows. I'm gonna be taking it for my crease, and we're gonna be doing a cat eye effect. But first, let me just prime my eyelids with my Tarte Shape Tape. Also, we're not going to be blending because obviously she has a harsh line there, so we're not going to blend also. We're just going to be packing everything on. Alright, so now I'm going to be cutting my crease like how she has it right there. I don't know if y'all can see that pink right there that she has. We're going to be doing that also. So for that, I think I'm going to be taking this pink right here. I'm going to be using that one for the eyelid, but before, like I said, I'm going to cut my crease. Alright, so that's how I'm going to be cutting my crease. Still that little cat eye effect, and now I'm just going to be dabbing my brush to take off the extra concealer. I'm just going to add a little bit of this darker pink just so it's not that light on my eyelid, because I feel like it's a little bit darker on hers. Alright, there we go. Now it's looking more pink instead of that like washed off washed off white pink. So back in with this detailed brush that I have right here, we're gonna be taking black, because as you can see, right between the brown right here and the pink, there's a black line. So we're gonna define our crease with that. So I'm gonna be taking the black shade right here from the BH Cosmetics palette. I'm gonna be taking that to define right here my crease. So I'm just gonna go back in with this packing brush and pack in more of that brown, so because I feel like it looks too small. I mean, it's the perfect size, but I'm just gonna add a little bit more of that brown to make my eyes pop. Alright you guys, I did one eye off camera. That's just because my camera overheated, so that's why I did this one, so I can finish this one on camera. So yeah, this is how the eye is supposed to look afterwards. So. Alright, so now I'm just gonna tightline my lashes, my upper lashes, and I'm gonna create a little baby wing right here. So yeah, I'm just gonna apply these lashes on and I'll be right back. Now I'm just going in with the same brown eyeshadow, and I'm taking that underneath my lash line. Now I'm just gonna be taking that same black eyeliner and going right underneath my bottom lash line. Oh, and making sure to connect it. Now I'm just gonna be drawing in the little small lashes. And now I'm gonna be taking my white liner from NYX and I'm gonna be applying that right here in the beginning of my eyelid. Oh shit. I just applied more on this one because it was like not white enough for me. And now I'm going to be taking this white liner and I'm going to be applying it all over my waterline. And ignore this, I'm going to go back in with mascara and take it off. Alright, now that the eyes are ready, I'm going to be adding contour to my face. I'm just going to add a little bit because it seems like their face is more full of blush than with contour. So taking my Kat Von D Shading Light palette, using this one right here. Alright, now for blush, we're going to be taking my Tarte blush, and I think we're going to be taking Breathtaking right here. I'm actually mixing Genuine with Breathtaking because I don't want it to pop that much. And I'm just tapping it right here where my cheekbones are at and bringing it a little bit down right there. So they don't have highlight, but we're gonna add highlight, you know, we're gonna add highlight. So for a little bit I'm gonna be taking my e.l.f. Moonlight Pearls highlight. It's really nice and soft on the skin, so I figured that'd be great. Now time to do the lip line. Now that's gonna look awful. Okay, now I'm just taking the Nabi Cocoa lip liner and I'm just gonna overline my lips. Let's see how this looks. Now I'm gonna be taking the L'Oreal Infallible paints. I'm gonna see if this one looks good. If not, I'm gonna take my Dose of Colors one. I don't know, I lost the sticker, so it's too orange. Nope. Now I'm just gonna set my face with my Kat Von D setting spray. Alright, you guys, so this is the final look. But yeah, this is how my eyeshadow turned out. Alright, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I had so much fun recreating it. I can't even feel my brows. Oh my god. If you decide to be a BRATZ doll this Halloween, just tag me in any looks you do. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment. Make sure to turn on your notification bell for my videos. And yeah, I love you guys so much. And bye.